Let's begin with all the legal updates that came in overnight with regards to fugitive diamond heir Mehul Choksi in what's a big setback for him in the illegal entry into Dominica case. The court has denied him bail. He appeared before the magistrate on a wheelchair. As you can see there, he's wearing a blue t-shirt and black shorts. And he was there personally in court with regards to charges of his illegal entry into the Caribbean island. Choksi in court pleaded not guilty to the charge. His lawyer also argued that he is unwell. That's why he was in a wheelchair and that's why he should be granted bail. However, the magistrate refused to give him any relief. Choksi remains in custody. He is, however, admitted in a hospital currently because he claims that he's unwell and he's under heavy police security. And there's going to be no relief in the near future for Choksi because the next hearing in this matter is only on 14th June. Choksi's lawyer, remember, alleged that Choksi was abducted from Jolly Harbour in Antigua and then brought to Dominica on a boat.
The courtroom in Roseau, Dominica, the Mehul Choksi matter came at the magistrate's court in Roseau. He has been charged for illegally entering into Dominica somewhere around the 23rd or thereabout of May in 2021. The charge was read to him. He pleaded not guilty. The defense that is objected to bail, DPP acting Shema Dayrampal objected to bail, and then with his leader Tony stated the reasons why bail should be granted. There was a back and forth as to the reasons why, and then the magistrate, Chief Magistrate Kanya Karat Judge said, given the severity of the matter and the probability that he may not come to court, she has taken the decision not to grant bail, and the matter is now set for the 14th of June in 2021.
Now, this is one case, the illegal entry into Dominica. The other is with regards to Mehul Choksi's deportation, and the hearing of that case in a Dominican court will resume today at 6:30 p.m. this evening. That's Indian Standard Time. This after the arguments in the case concluded yesterday in the first day of the hearing. Now, during the hearing, let's just get you some of the highlights of how we've argued for Choksi's deportation. The Indian government argued that Choksi is still very much an Indian citizen and hence should be deported back to India. We've also argued that his passport and the fact that he surrendered it is not officiated and that he's a wanted criminal since January 2018. What came as a huge setback to Choksi during this hearing is also the fact that the Dominican government argued in favor of his deportation to India, saying that his plea must be dismissed. There was high drama in the court as Choksi refused to appear personally. He appeared via Zoom from the hospital, claiming that he's feeling unsafe in Dominica and is ready to pay for his return to Antigua. Let's take this across to Munish Pandey for more details. Munish, good morning. As far as this deportation case is concerned, a lot of developments that happened in court. Just break down for us the highlights of what India's argument is and what Choksi's team also said.
Yeah, well, Akshita, as far as India's side is concerned, India was being represented by the Dominican prosecutors, and the documents pertaining to Mehul Choksi's citizenship, Mehul Choksi's criminal activities and the red corner notice. All these documents from the Indian side were submitted before the court through the Dominican public prosecutors. Now, as far as the arguments were concerned, the main argument was that the person, Mehul Choksi, is illegal in the country, that is in Dominica. And apart from that, the court should not entertain his plea because he's not a citizen of Dominica and he should be deported back to India. These were the main arguments of Dominican prosecutor. As far as Mehul Choksi's lawyers were concerned, they told the court that India is not a party in this case, so India should not be heard. And apart from that, this case is only about illegal entry, and Mehul Choksi should be allowed to go back to Antigua, and he will pay for whatever the cost of going back to Antigua is. So these were the arguments. The court said that also there was one application moved by the lawyers of Mehul Choksi that he has not been produced before any court, so he should be allowed to be produced before the court. So the court ordered that he should be produced before the magistrate court, where he was produced at 4 p.m. according to Dominican time. As far as the order is concerned, India is hopeful that today around 6:37, when the Dominican High Court judge will give the order, it will be in India's favor, because both the Dominican authorities and Antigua authorities have told the court that they do not want Mehul Choksi back to Antigua and he should be sent back to India.
All right, Munish, thank you for joining us with those details. Next hearing is this evening at 6:30, and we'll see what really is the outcome of this case. Thanks, Munish, for